Hello and welcome to Our Hometown's video tutorial on the Customize tool. When I'm logged into the website, every page that I look at on my site has this black bar across the top with access to administrative areas. The Customize tool is one of those areas that none of your readers can see, but if you're logged in with the correct permissions, I can click on the Customize tool. Now, whatever page I'm on at that point is going to be what I'm customizing. So you could do this for an article, a static page on the website, one of the directory pages. Just click that customize tool from the page that you want to customize. Right now we're looking at the home page in preview mode within the customize tool. The top menu option is the site identity. That's where you set the site title, the tagline, which would appear underneath the logo, and also the site icon, which appears in the tab of the browser when viewing this site. Okay, I can also customize the menus, which are the navigation buttons that appear at the top of the page, the main menu. Right here, I have all the categories that appear in the primary navigation. It's a drag and drop interface, so I can pick up this event calendar and drop it next to the business news. Also, we have these child categories, which appear as a sub menu, a drop down, when placed just to the right underneath the parent category that you want it to be a part of. So let's say I wanted the e-edition to be a child category of the business news. I would drop it again just to the right so it's not aligned with it. You can kind of see the structure here. And then if I hover over business news, I have e-edition as a drop down option. The third option of the customize tool is site colors. So you can come in here and control the color of anything on the website. And the interface is just point and click. Choose my background color to be yellow and the main color orange. You just point, click, you can drag across the color spectrum until you find something you like, or just switch back to the default. You can control the main navigation colors here. And this is the kind of thing that you can just go into and play around with. Everything is pretty self-explanatory in terms of what it controls. And under social media options, I can control the position of social media links. Right now it's set to the main navigation, bottom middle, and that's where these icons appear. Beneath that, I can select which social platforms I want to enable and then provide a link to the newspaper's page on that platform. You've got options for Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Google+, Instagram, all the top platforms plus several others. The logo and menu options are where you can upload your logo for the top of the page, control the position of the logo. You can upload a separate logo for the footer and also control the positioning of that logo. The styling of the main menu. This is what default looks like. You could also go with a fixed main menu. Which is actually hidden by the black bar right now. But if I log out, you can see the menu is now fixed at the top of the page, so I can scroll and still have access to that primary navigation. So rather than appearing underneath the logo, it's fixed at the top of the page. Site fonts can be set. You've got the body font, widget heading font, site logo font, main navigation. It's controlling the fixed navigation in this case. Secondary navigation, that would be this navigation here. And the heading, titles, font. General options. This is where I can upload a default image for thumbnails on the site. Because the thumbnails are controlled by the featured image on the article, and not every article has a featured image, for the layout options that require an image, you're going to want to have something in that position. So this is where you can upload a default image. Usually papers have something with their logo on it, just a generic photo that can appear when no photo is available for the article. You can either make the width of the content capped at 1440, which is typical screen size, or full width. Couple options here to check boxes to enable slider ads. This is an ad unit that integrates with the slideshows that you can place on the site. More on that later. Checkbox to disable date under the logo. Most people prefer the date, so we make the option to disable it by going in here and checking the box. Checkbox to disable search input. So that would remove the search box. So the search box and the date are gone. That's another one that you're going to have to save and actually publish to see the change. If I am displaying the date, I can choose to place it in the top left, top right, or below logo, which is where it is right now. Image protection. By default, images can be downloaded by the user just by right-clicking and saving the image. But I can select this other option to prevent right-click on images, and you've got this input field for your footer text, which can be your copyright information. Article options. With article options, by default, related posts that are from the same category will appear at the bottom of the article. You can check this box to disable that feature. The widgets area is a very interesting tool. This allows you to customize the layout, the content, and the styling of every page of the website. We'll go into this in a lot more depth in another video, but just for a quick demonstration of how I would place an ad on the site, the first step is to identify the widget area that controls that part of the page. So if I'm trying to place an ad here, that would be the header ads left widget area. If I open that up, there are no widgets in there right now. And as we can see, there's nothing appearing in that position. But if I select add a widget, and select the add rotate advert, and set it to an ad unit that I've uploaded previously, I can place an ad in that position. And only when I say publish will this be live on the site. And that concludes the video tutorial on the Customize tool. If you have any questions, please email ops@our-hometown.com for support. Thanks for watching.